Look at this. Wow. That's very cute. ये एक छोटी सी गली है, इसके अंदर दुकानें बनी हुई है। ये देखे दुकान बनी हुई है यहाँ पे, ये देखे दुकान बनी हुई है कपड़ों की, शूज़ की, कपड़ों की। नाइस स्ट्रीट। हाँ, बस इज कमिंग दिस वे। Excuse me, Arasta Bazaar is this way?
This way, sir.
Thank you very much. This is Arasta Bazaar. Arasta Bazaar, चीज़ें देखो यहाँ पे, बच्चों के शूज़ पड़े हुए, छोटे छोटे शूज़। दुकानों में ये चीज़ें रखी है इन्होंने, जूते वगैरह और ये कोई पुरानी चीज़ें। या jewelry shop, pillows, shops here, चाय वगैरह, herbal tea, other shops. The shops. Herbal tea. Drugstore tea. Wow. Handmade. All white door-to-door delivery. New concept works. Okay. Shoes. Outfit. Clothes. It's very nice shop. Bags. Oh. See, have a look at cups. You okay? How much is this cup?
400.
400. Ceramic. Hat. Clothes shop, and that's it. The shops. Yeah. Oh wow, Islamic Now you tell me to find it.
You won't find it. What I've got in my pocket, you won't find it.
A watch. It's very nice. Sword. Okay. Hand. Alright.
Doner kebab, fish and fresh juice.
आइसक्रीम वाला यस ये रास्ता है बाहर जाने का I just had a tea, thank you very much. You alright? What's that?
Yes, suju.
What's this?
It is suju. Grapes.
What is suju?
Grapes,
Oh,
walnut.
crepes, walnut, okay.
Yes.
It's all dry, yeah?
Granite, walnut and grapes, walnut.
Okay, walnut, dry, yeah?
Dry.
Dry fruit. Okay, dry fruit.
This is mango tea.
Oh, mango tea.
Yes. And
Thank
this
you
is
very much. Sugar. Thank you very much. Exactly. It's nice.